Okay, tell me a story.
And this alley. And my last game and go away first. Bam!
Hi, what do you have here?
You want strawberry and spicy tomato?
Spicy tomato? Yeah, I like spicy.
This one?
Let me see.
This one?
This tomato?
Mm-hmm.
That's ketchup. I think tomato ketchup.
A tomato ketchup.
Yep.
Ketchup. Tomato ketchup?
Yeah.
No,
Can I?
it's for me.
It's for you. I thought you're selling me that.
This one.
What's
hot
that?
dog.
Hot dog?
Hot dog is perfect with the spicy shrimp.
Spicy shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have shrimp there?
No, I don't find shrimp.
Then what do you have?
I already throw away shrimp
Why?
because it's bad.
Oh, did you have it since yesterday?
I eat it a lot.
Really?
Yeah, I remember. I did a lot earlier.
Okay. Can I have something else?
Coffee and strawberry and mashed tomato. Mashed tomato.
Mashed tomato?
No, bacon with all of the bacon there.
What? What?
Bacon.
What's that?
Boom! And everybody, you get the carrots. Good for you, carrots. And that food is here. Okay? Carrots.
Okay,
This one.
I'll get the carrots.
No, this one is I gonna go do how do this.
Can I have it?
So I can bite this a little bit, and this is not. I can bite it.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh, it's not clean anymore.
And there. This one is big. This one.
Okay, I'm gonna have. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here's $5.
Thank you. Another one there.
Oh, this is
No, this is for my on my work.
for your work?
This is for my work. I get do lab. I get home.
What?
I get home. I gonna go eat this on our house.
Okay.
And I can be home later. Okay?
Okay.
I gonna stay here, Tito David and Nana and Lola.
Okay.
Forever.
Forever?
Forever. I
Really?
love Nana and Tito and Nana and Lola.
Really?
Yeah, and a best with all of the games. I love Corona, Princess Belle, and Princess Diana, and Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. Remember, and I love Mommy, Daddy, and everyone.
You love everyone? You're such a good girl.
And I want to read with spicy pizza.
Spicy pizza?
Spicy pizza like this. This one with the salt.
Okay.
It's salt.
It's what?
Salt.
Salty?
It's salty like this.
Ooh.
He's salty, Belly?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can I have some?
No, only egg with salt.
Only egg with salt?
Mhm.
Is it healthier than pizza?
Wow, well, let's get.
Where's your eggs? I want eggs. Where's eggs?
Egg.
That's not egg, that's tomato.
Egg.
What's that? Let me see.
Egg.
I think that's strawberry.
Think is tomato paper, ketchup, and this one is gonna be, and this is gonna be, okay? Look at
Is it good match?
good mash. This is
What is this?
this is
What is
strawberry.
this?
No, what's that?
That's, I think that's onion.
Onion? Mm-hmm. No. I'll be here.
Okay.
Here we go. This is spicy. Spicy.
Let me see.
It's spicy.
Mm-hmm.
It's to make sure spicy.
Okay, bye na pala. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Have a good night.
This one is sweet.
What is that? Milk?
Yeah, milk.
For good night?
Yeah, for good night.
Okay, for good night sleep. Okay.
Okay, keep me. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Have a good night sleep. Okay, bye. Let's do say bye.